The first craft I'm going to show you how to make is a little Christmas tree ornament made out of buttons. Collect several different sizes and color values of green and brown buttons. Bind a star-shaped bead for the top. Using a hot glue gun, secure all of the buttons together. For the stump, it doesn't matter the order of the buttons, but for the rest of the tree, have the largest green buttons on the bottom. Once you reach the top, glue the star on and secure the ornament hanger. The next craft I have is a Christmas greeting card. Collect several plastic gems and secure them to cardstock paper using a hot glue gun. Draw lines connecting the ornaments to the top of the card. Add any details you would like. I decided to write Merry Christmas under my ornaments. The last craft I have is a ribbon tree ornament. Cut several pieces of red and green ribbon of different lengths and tie them to a popsicle stick from long to short. Glue an ornament hanger to the top of the popsicle stick.